What's up, guys? So I've been having this issue with the Evo where I'm losing voltage up top, like high RPMs. It starts to drop around 7,000 and up, drops down to like 12.7. So basically that's telling me that the alternator isn't charging. Alternator isn't charging or belt slipping. I checked for belt slippage and it seems like it was fine. But you know, these alternators do like to give out because if you rev it out quite high, the regulator built into it can't handle it. So I got a new alternator and I did some research and I found this pulley from STM, which I'll show you guys later, that has a 10% reduction. So it's basically gonna underspin, you could say. It's gonna underspin the alternator so it doesn't, you know, overload the alternator, and therefore it should charge, something like that. So basically it's just a bigger pulley. It uses the same belt and should work. But I am going to show you guys a data log later on showing that, you know, the voltage is dropping. So, and then we're going to do a test drive afterwards and see what it does on the data log as well. Got the pulley. Yeah, there's a difference for sure. Big difference, right? Basically. Maybe Doug. This one? Alright guys, we got the alternator in. By we, I mean my coworker. He installed it all. I was busy doing some customer work over here, but new one's in. STM pulleys on there. We're gonna go data log it. We're gonna start off with 20 pounds of boost. See, they'll tell us right away if it's charging up top. But yeah, let's go for a test drive now. Let's unrack it and see the results. Alright guys, so haven't posted any racing videos recently, but I've been having some issues with voltage drop under high load now that I know how to data log. I've been noticing that it drops down to like 12.6 at the higher RPMs. It is like a factory aftermarket alternator from like O'Reilly's. Cleaned up the grounds and I jumped up in voltage by a lot. I also replaced the pulley to the SDM underdrive pulley. That kind of helped out a little bit, but more than anything, the grounds, cleaning the grounds helped out big time. But right now, I'm just gonna record the flex fuel sensor because I'm also replacing that with a Haltech one because I have the AM one right now and I feel like it's reading incorrectly. So we're gonna go ahead. Hey, give me. Okay, I'm gonna just go this way, okay? Tacarece. Don't mind me. Mind my own business. This is what last minute events look like.
Perfect light. 972, 135 right lane. That is cool looking 62 Pontiac Tempest twin turbo.
Jesus. Jesus Christ! That's only on 30 PSI! Oh, my heart is racing. Woo! I hope that was a 10-second pass, low key. think we lost fourth gear, guys. We lost voltage. Fuck.
Red button will be a solo. Camaro, black trans zero wires go against each other, so if we can make that happen, that'd be great.
Alright, go ahead. Alright, you want to put in neutral and push off real quick?
It might start. Let me check the connectors to the alternator.
Get that thing off the track. I got cars on the line here.
We're trying. Here, it's still neutral. We don't want to get yelled at.
We can at least get you in the grass.
Yeah, because now we're going to have our boss yelling all over us.
Fucking connector to the alternator pops off. Drops voltage. Car doesn't like no voltage. Let's see if it starts up. Fuck this car, man. Fuck happened, man?
Same issue again?
I think the same stand on.
You can tell?
Yeah.
Do you have somebody to know?
Well, all good things must come to an end. I think engine's blown. Ah, fuck.